Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can enable push notifications on your OnlyFans account from your PC or laptop. To do so, first of all, go into Google browser and then search for onlyfans.com and log into your OnlyFans account. After that, you'll be on the home page of OnlyFans. Here on the left hand side, you can see an option for more. Click on more and then go on to settings. After that, you can see an option for notifications. Click on notifications and again on push notifications. Here you can see it is disabled right now. If you enable this now, the push notification is enabled on the laptop. Now click on allow again and you'll be able to get all the push notifications from OnlyFans. That's how you can enable push notifications on your OnlyFans. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.